Alright guys, I'm doing a little fishing right after work at the Hackensack River. Bait, low worms, high-low rig, and then I got a small one. Probably put a little fish finder rig on that one and throw it out there. Let's see what happens.
Fishing, you want to net them?
Yeah, I got you.
If I get a net?
Yeah, I got you. Definitely. That looks in a 35-40, man. Come on, let's go. The way it's bending, I got you.
It's a light rod.
Okay, I got you though. All right, it's not tangling.
You know, head first if
Yep.
I can.
Yep, definitely. Ooh, that's a beauty. That is a beauty.
Just let me get close.
Yep.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I don't want to hit the line.
Yep.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Yep. Wait for the head. Come on.
Let him run.
Yep. Let him tire out a little bit.
Okay.
Here it is. Ah. Ah, come on.
Oh, I know. I've got to get a bigger net.
That's okay.
Come on. He's not that big.
No.
He's fighting hard.
Yes. Woo! There you go. Monster.
Nice
You
fish.
got it. You got him.
Dude, I caught one bigger than this yesterday. He didn't fight that hard.
Whoa.
So you videoed the whole thing?
Kinda. Oh man. Good job. What is like 32, 33 inch?
Maybe.
You want me to get a measurement? I got a
I got
tape.
it. I
Oh,
got
you
it.
got one too? Oh, that one's gonna hit too.
Easy, fella.
That's a nice one. Wow. What a fish. You want to take a picture with it?
Yeah, let me get the hook out.
Yep. Wow. That's a beauty. Go ahead. That's a beautiful fish. Yeah. Oh. There you go. Good job.
Let's see how long it is.
Yep.
He's just hard, dude. I'm telling you, I caught one bigger than this yesterday.
That's a beauty, though.
He doesn't even look 28.
You don't think so? No, 30, like I said.
31.
Woo. That's beautiful. Now you keep these fishes or you put them back?
Now put him back.
Yeah. I went fishing over there at the end by Kearney. We're forsaking the Hackensack joint.
Okay.
I caught a few out of there too. Nice ones.
Okay.
Yep.
Pictures.
Yep. Take a picture with it?
Yeah, now we can take a picture like this. Snap.
That's a beauty.
It's like this.
Yep, gotcha.
Let me put this in the background. You're fine.
Yeah. Ready?
Okay.
Woo! That's a beauty. No problem. Oh, yeah, ahead. Yep. I'm putting it down right here.
Okay.
Okay. God.
Thanks, man.
That was a nice fight, too.
Yeah.
I just need to catch one, too. That's it. That's all I need, one. Using blowworms, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, all right.
Nah, it's small. It's okay.
Are you going to flip them? All right. Let me know if you need it. Oh, no. Okay. Hold on. Let me get him. Yep. There you go. It's about the same. Nah, a little smaller. Woo. There you go. That's the one that was hitting earlier, right over there?
No.
Oh, this one you just threw back again?
Yeah.
All right.
This one too.
All right.
Yeah, we'll just hit the circle.
Yeah, gotcha.
Get a
Yes.
couple of these. Going back.
Ooh. Yeah, he's a little shorter than the other one. There you go.
Risky.
Yeah. Ready? One, two, three. Yeah.
A little more like this.
I got you. Got it. Good
Set
job.
it in the chill.
Yep. Yeah, he's good. No. I'm fishing. I told my wife I'm gonna go fishing after work, so. Yeah, I don't know where it got cold. No, but I got off at 5, so it's right here. Like, you know where, how it goes to that camera? The opposite side, there's the river, so that part there. Not yet, but this young man that's working, like fishing next to me, he caught 3 big. Like huge, like 30 inch. And then he got one right now on the line too. You got it? Alright, that's right. No. Let me know. Next one. You caught 3 now. All right. Yeah, same thing. Come here. Baby's good. Everybody's okay. Yeah. That one too? Yeah, I'll take the net. Way smaller than yours, but I got one. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Finally got one. Time to let it go. Finally got one. There we go. Now I'm getting hit. Now it's a monster. 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 Yes. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Now it's a monster. Oh, ooh, baby. Might be the same size you have, like 30.
We got fish. See? You see? What I showed you the other day, remember? Where's your one? Where's your one?
No, it's my brother and my nephew.
So you're gonna get a fish.
Oh man. It hurt your arm after a while. I'm trying to get him in now.
That's a big fish. Yeah.
Man. Ew, whoa. That looks nice.
Got the net here. Don't worry about that.
Oh no.
Don't, please don't tell me you.
Oh no.
You gotta do that.
You saw that?
That was a big fish.
That was a huge one.
You should have kept it tight, man.
Oh man. That was a huge fish. Oh.
You got it on camera?
Didn't even rip my line. It's a circle hook. I don't know how it came off.
Oh my god. Right there?
Right here.
Oh my god.
That was a big guy. Oh yeah, yeah.
Take your time. We had the net, man. If you was able to yourself, it would have been a different matter.
He's gonna take you.
Alright, I gotta call you back. Broke my badge and everything. Alright. I'll go back. Oh man, that was a huge fish. That was a huge fish. It was 30 plus, definitely.
Oh,
Eh. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it for today. I got one up. The second one was like a big one, and it got pretty close. Then I lost it. Even the person that was fishing next to me, he was upset. He wanted to take a picture also, because that fish was big. It could be 40. It could have been 40, but I let the line a little slack. Gone, left. I don't know. Maybe next time. Alright guys. Thank you again for watching. Thanks for all the subscribes. Please leave some comments. Any advice, throw it at me. Let's see what I can do. Take care. Bye-bye.
If you like it, subscribe.